it's such a good day. Hey my friends, how are you? Just joking, I'm always in a good mood. Just want to be transparent. But yeah, just when I am in a good mood, I have this is my decadent deluxe, non-dreadful, non-dreary, delightful treat. Okay, it's a sweet treat. So blend. These are my favorite ones in Ireland. These are the medjool dates from Supervalue. I think they're better than all the other shops. But the one other exception that's really good for blending also is like Asian stores do really nice Mazafati dates. And what's coming up here? I blended with some almonds, so I just chucked them in there. Hi almonds, how are you today? So almonds, dates, blended and sieved. I definitely think it's nicer sieved. I used to just blend the almonds, sieve the almonds, and then blend in the dates. But now I copied my wife, my partner, my soul partner, my beautiful, like, divine counterpart, my sweet natured goodness bringer. My sweet natured goodness. So yeah, I just blend it and I sieve, and it's light and it's delicious and it's tasty. So I hope that helps you to potentially have a healthier treat. And don't forget, the main message is it's all about spirituality and it's all about emotionality, feeling good emotionally in life. You don't want to be like rich or energetic physically, but then like sad, depressed, and suicidal emotionally. But so the other take-home message in the layer beneath this is however our body feels, we will relate to how we feel emotionally. So if you eat really good and you drink good and you rest good and you meet your physiological needs of like exercise, fresh air, sunshine, sunbathing, maybe even sun gazing, many different stuff you do, you know, sleep, rest, all the sort of activity, and even your holistic needs like socializing and creativity and like, you know, activity with stillness, all this sort of stuff, you will feel so much better emotionally. So what we put in our mouth basically, what we drink and eat predominantly, as well as the drugs, we take, either recreational, pharmacologically, or illegally, or if they're legal as well, you know, whatever they are, you know, alcohol, stereotypical cigarettes and tobacco, and just generally drugs. So food, drugs, chemicals, all the other stuff adds up to how we feel emotionally. So yes, by making this video, my intention is to help you emotionally and spiritually. So the physical is just a tool, the stepping stone, part of the holistic layer of body, mind, spirit, emotion. And I hope you can tap into that and have a lovely life and enjoy the sweet treat.